Hi everyone! This week I will be sharing some tips and tricks on how to update multiple items at once. So this is the before screen, and here is the transformation after only a few clicks. In our editor, first select all the elements you want to change, and this can be as simple as clicking and dragging your mouse across the screen. For this example, I'll start by selecting an image and then adding a border. This will not change the text or shapes that are also highlighted since they are considered different categories. With this cool multiple selection feature, after highlighting the elements of your choosing, once you click on a specific object category, such as images like I just did, then you only need to click on one of them in order to change all image borders. Next, I clicked on the text and changed its color to white. The final changes involves updating the shape, and after I clicked on the shape object, I changed the color to gray and then played with the opacity. And that's it. Enjoy your amazing creation!